Hello everyone. In this section, getting started with Excel, we'll start with a quick tour of Excel and then we'll see how we can sign into Office 365 Excel, and then we'll look at creating a workbook using existing workbooks. Then we'll try to understand the Excel menu system, which is a ribbon at the top, and you will pretty much work with it with any kind of activity that you do within Excel. Like for example, creating tables, adding pictures or creating pivot tables, etc. Then we'll take a look at a quick access toolbar, and then followed by formula bar and status bar. And then at the end, we'll take a look at the navigation within Excel. And with that, we'll conclude the section. And you know what? Let's jump right into this quick tour.